Hi, how are you and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I'll be showing you how you can convert text to AI speech, right? And how you can also use this AI speech for your YouTube videos, Instagram videos or Facebook videos, right? So let's get started. So let's come to your Google and just type ElevenLabs, right? Click over here and then you will be redirected to this page. Right here you can see that it is showing generative voice AI. Right now click on this menu sort of button and then here you can see that it is showing for sign up or sign in. Right, so if you are new to the ElevenLabs, you'll just click on this sign up button, right? And here you'll just fill your details so that you'll be ready for the sign in, right? So since I already have an account on ElevenLabs, so I'll not be doing the sign up one, right? And instead I'll just click on this menu icon again and then I'll click on this sign in button. Right now here I'll be signing in to this ElevenLabs. Now once you will be signed in, you will be redirected to this ElevenLabs page, right? And here you can see that it has started from the speech synthesis, right? So under the settings you can see that you have the freedom to change the voice. You have to select whether you want the voice of the Adam, Anthony, Arnold, Bella, Callum, Charlie, right? And there are many more. You can see, if you can scroll down a bit, you can see a lot of voices, right? And then you have the voice settings, right? You can change the stability, clarity, right, style, and there is a lot many things over here also, right? Now you also have the option under the settings only. You also have the option to add a voice, right? So if you'll click on this add voice and then after that if you'll click on the add generative or cloned voice, right? And then you have to click on this voice design, right? And then here you can generate the voice, right? Now it will ask you whether you want the voice of the female or of the male, right? So you have to select that gender first, right? So you have the option for female and male. Let's say I want the voice of the male, right? So I'll be selecting this male one, and it will also ask you that whether you want the male voice of young or middle aged or the old one, right? So let's say I'll be selecting for the middle age, right? And it will also ask you for the accent, right? You want the accent of the American, British, African, Australian or Indian, right? So I'll be selecting Indian, right? And it will also ask you for the accent strength, right? So by default it is showing as 150%, and I'll be going with that one only, right? For with the default settings only. Now here this is the text, right? And make sure the text will be of 1000 characters only, right? Because the limit is for 1000 words. And also notice this thing, total quota remaining for me is 9673. I think for a month it is used to it is providing 10,000 words per month, right? I'll show you where this total quota will show, right? But let's complete this so that I can show you how you can convert text from text to AI speech, right? So I have already pasted my text in this text box area, and then I'll click on this generate button, right? So here you can see that it is generating the text which I have provided.
Hi, how are
in the
you?
text box.
Thank you for watching this video and subscribe YouTube channel Course by Sid for more videos like this. Thank you.
Yeah, so here you can see that it has generated, and here you have listened to it, that how this voice is speaking, right? How this text is converted to AI speech, right? Now after that you will click on this download button. So here you can see that this AI speech is downloaded, right? Now I'll also open this file and show you.
Hi, how are you? Thank you for watching this video and subscribe YouTube channel Course by Sid for more videos like this. Thank you.
So yeah, so you have seen that how you have converted speech, how you have converted text to AI speech, right? Now I'll come back and I'll show you. Click on this icon, right? And then click on this subscription one. So here you can see that the subscription, I'm using it as the free one, right? Subscribe to free, and characters till date I have used 462 and out of 10,000 characters, and next character reset in 30 days. So for a month, it used to provide 10,000 characters, right? So this is all for this video. In this video you have seen that how you can convert text to AI speech for your YouTube videos, Instagram videos, or Facebook videos, right? So guys, I hope you have liked this video, and in case you haven't subscribed this channel, so I request you to kindly please subscribe it so that you can get the latest update from this channel, and also you can get more videos like this. So thank you, and I'll hope to meet you soon in the next video. Thanks for now.